Yeah. It's called the Arctic Animal Antics. It's about a bunch of Arctic animals singing songs, and like about polar bears, seals, penguins, and Arctic terns.
My name is Grace, and we are doing like a lot of singing rehearsals of the songs, and like a couple of us got a speaking part, and it's really fun. I'm excited to do it and sing all the songs.
Well, I hope I see the groups a lot. That'll be fun.
Yeah, it will.
What's your name?
I'm the elementary music teacher.
Cool. Do you have any cool plays coming up?
We have a lot of shows coming up. Every grade level in first grade through fourth grade has winter shows coming. The fourth grade is doing their annual Nutcracker, which they're very excited for, and we're going to use a big gym this year with a new sound system. My third grade is doing the Big Chill with their little surprise at the ending. Second grade is doing Arctic Animal Antics, and first grade is just doing a collection of winter songs. So they're all really excited and very well prepared.
That sounds very fun. I really hope I see the clips.
Oh, well, anyone's invited to come.
Yes. I'll be there then.
Awesome.
Welcome everyone to another extraordinary episode of Gems TV Express. I can't believe we had our first report cards come out.
I know, everything goes by so fast.
Who's ready for speed jokes?
We are. Where do snowmen store their money? Snowbanks. What do you call a roller skating snowman? A snowmobile.
What's a polar bear's favorite snack? Ice Krispies.
What kind of fish do penguins catch at night? Starfish.
Can I laugh now?
Definitely.
Those were funny jokes.
Agreed.
Perfect to get us ready for the snowy season. Perfect.
With that, I think it's time to move on.
Let's get the show started.
The lucky people in December get to celebrate their birthday in the snow.
I wish I could celebrate my birthday in the snow.
Lucky them. I hope all of you have birthdays to remember.
Yay!
Here's wishing our super cool pre-K students the best birthday ever.
I hope your birthday is full of ice, kindergarteners.
Ice cream!
Have a holly jolly birthday, first graders.
Jingle all the way to your birthday, second graders.
all your wishes come true, third graders. Happy birthday, fourth graders. A remarkable year is ahead.
Those are all the birthdays for December. Happy
birthday, everyone. The months of November and December have brought so many more Proud Principal Awards. Let's look at them. Cheers to your well-deserved success, kindergartners.
Bravo, your hard work has paid off, first graders.
Way to go, you've made us so proud, second graders.
Here's to your incredible
Third graders. Delighted to celebrate your impressive achievements, fourth graders.
Wonderful work, everyone. Yeah.
The first grade parade before Thanksgiving break was so good.
I know, right?
The balloons were so creative.
And colorful.
And I can't believe some of the teachers dressed up as inflatables.
I know, right? I couldn't stop laughing. My favorite one was Miss Purcell as the chicken.
Same, she had the best moves in my opinion.
I really like Mrs. Heth's shark.
Me too.
I don't have a favorite because they were all so funny.
That was my favorite feature so far. was so funny. That chicken reminds me of a joke. What do the chicken families do on the weekend? They go on picnics.
I have one too. What do snowmen eat for lunch? Icebergers.
I want to give a great joke too. What do gingerbread men put on their bed? A cookie sheet.
My turn. Where do snowmen like to dance? At snowballs. That was a great way to end a Gems TV episode, right, guys?
Yeah. I hope you have a great holiday season filled with joy and love.
See you guys next year, but until then,
Remember to be
respectful, responsible, and safe.